Hey guys, it's Wildman Productions here. I'm going to be showing you how to install a RAM. Put it there. You guys aren't going to be able to see that well. I'm just going to give you tips. First of all, make sure your tower is unplugged. And then press this a couple times, make sure the light doesn't go on, so that it doesn't have any power, so that you don't zap the yourself. Okay. Can you guys actually see that from there? Oh, that works. Now there's something right there that fits in right there, which you guys can't actually see unless I move that. It goes in right there. You're going to want to line it up. Oh, no. Okay. Do that. Push that side in first. Wait. Then you're going to want to push this down and clip it. And go on the other side. Push it down. Clip. And that is it. Okay. Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. Peace out. Talk to you next time.